Dear students, so now I am going to be continuing some basic examples. It means the practical, the problems on the union and the intersection of the sets. So they give the example is like in the exercise 1.6. The seventh example is like in a group of 65 people, 40 people like the cricket, 10 people like the both cricket and tennis. Next, what we are going to be find. How many like the tennis only but not the cricket, and how many like the tennis only? Getting? So now first we should have to be write down the whatever the contents they have given. So in a group of 65 people means in a group 65 people, it means we can have the union of these two events, that is cricket and the tennis. That is N of T union, T means tennis, C means cricket, that means the N of T union C is 65. If they give about the survey, then we have to use the only universal. Here that in a group of people means it is countable and it is nothing but the union of these two events, that is N of T union C. Whenever you heard the group law, so that nothing but it is union of the two events. Okay. Next, how many like the cricket? That N of T is nothing but that is 10. 10 people like the cricket. 10 like the both cricket and tennis. And stands for what? Intersection, that is N of C. Intersection T is nothing but that is 10. What we are going to find out? How many like the tennis only but not cricket? It means the elements which are present in A but not in B, like that. The number of people who like the tennis only but not cricket, that is N of T minus C. If they are, how many like the cricket only but not tennis means C minus of T, like that we have to find out. And next one we have to find out how many like the tennis only. So before going to find out for the N of T minus C, first we are going to find out for the what? First we are going to find out for the N of T. One more content we have given. 40 like the cricket only means N of C is nothing but 40. Therefore, already we know that when A and B are the two finite sets, then N of T union C is nothing but N of T plus N of C minus N of T intersection C. What is N of T union C? That is 65 is equal to N of T that we are going to find out. Plus N of C is nothing but 40, N of T intersection C is nothing but 10. Then 65 is equal to N of T plus 40 minus 10 is that is 30. Therefore N of T is nothing but 65 minus 30, that is 35. The number of people, how many like the tennis? How many people are like the tennis? That is 35. Next, what we are going to find out? How many like the tennis only but not cricket? It means N of T minus C, that is N of T minus N of T intersection of C. That is N of T is how much? That we have been find out 35. Then N of T intersection C, that is nothing but 10. Then 35 minus 10 is 25. The 25 people like the tennis only but not the cricket. So this is what the example getting. Okay. So the next one example is like. So if you have any doubts by asking me through the call for this example. This is very simple. Okay? Whatever the contents they have given, first you should have to give the write down the contents. Then by after reading the examples, what are the follow steps? We have to step the steps which we have to follow. That we have to done. Okay? So the next one example is like. In the miscellaneous example number 15, what they are given? In a survey of 60 people, it was found that in the survey means that we are going to consider this one is N of universal set, that is 65. So I am going to be write down its content whatever the data they have given. It was found that 25 people read newspaper H. How many are reading the newspaper H? That is N of H is 25. 26 read newspaper T, that is N of T N of t is how much? That is 26 they have given. Next, 26 read newspaper I. That is N of I is, that is 26 they have given. Okay. 9 read both H and I. 9 read both H and I means N of H and stand for intersection. 9 read both H and I means H intersection I, or else we can write it as N of I intersection H also, that is 9 they have given. Next, 11 read both H and T, that is N of H intersection T, that is 11. And stands for intersection or stands for union. 8 read both T and I, that is N of T intersection I, that is 8. 3 read all the newspapers. So here how many newspapers they have given? That is H. Next they have given the T and I. So all the newspaper means that is reading H and T and I. Among the one means we can take it as the union. Getting? They have given all the three newspaper means 3 read all the newspaper means that is N of H intersection T intersection and reading all the newspapers are how many? There are 3 people. First we are going to find out for what? The number of people. The number of people who read at least one newspaper. The number of people who read at least one newspaper means the number of people who read H or T or I. It means we are going to find out N of H union T union I. At least one of the newspaper, either he reads the newspaper H or the T or the I. So by taking here the Venn diagram of this one, you can solve this example very easily. I will take 3 sets. This is the H set. This is what? I set. This is what? HT. This is I set. This is H set. This is T set. This is I set. By using the Venn diagram, you are going to come to know that how to solve this one example. First I will solve for the first one example. Okay. The number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. Okay, I will fill up the contents. N of U, that is what union. Union set is how much? There are given 65. So you can make it a square box here. Okay, no problem. For the Venn diagram, you can put here the that is U universal set. That is 65 they have given. Okay. The number of people who read the H is 25. The number of people who read the newspaper T is 26. The number of people who read the newspaper I is 26. H intersection I. Where is H and I? H and I here. Intersection means here. That you have to follow the common. That is 9. H intersection T. H intersection T is 11. N T intersection I. T intersection I is 8. And all the 3 balls are going to be intersect here in this portion. That is here reading all the 3 newspapers is how much? That is 3. Getting? Okay. So already we know that the formula what is H union T union I. That is N of H union T union I. So read at least one of the newspaper. At least one of the newspaper means either he read the H or T or the I. N of H plus N of T plus N of I minus N of H intersection T minus N of H intersection I minus N of H intersection I intersection T plus N of H intersection T intersection I. Okay. That is N of H is 25 plus N of T is 26. N of I is also 26. H minus N of H intersection T. N of H intersection T is minus, that is 11 minus H N of H intersection I. H intersection I is 9 minus n of H I intersection T. I intersection T is 8 plus that is n of H intersection T intersection I. 25, 26, 26, that is 52, 52, 52, 25, that is 77. 77 minus 11 minus 9 minus 20 minus 28 minus 28 plus 3 minus 20. Okay, so 77 minus 25, that is again 15. The number of people who read at least one of the newspaper is how much? That is 52 who read the H or T or the getting. So this is what the solution for this. The second one, what they have given? The number of people who read exactly one of the newspaper. So this type of the question is going to be asked for the 4 marks. Getting? Okay. So here okay. So the second one, the number of people who read exactly one of the newspaper. Okay. So that is the second one I will take. Here we have to consider for the 3 newspapers. I will consider the 3 terms as X as number of people who read exactly newspaper H. Y is nothing but the number of people who read exactly newspaper T, and Z I will take the number of people who read exactly newspaper I. Next I will find out for the N of X, the number of people who read exactly the newspaper X. So X means, who read the newspaper H means, first I will take the N of H minus. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಪೇಪರ್ H ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Whether we have the newspaper H here? No. Whether we have the newspaper H, I have been taken. Whether we have the newspaper H here? No. Whether we have the newspaper H here? No. Here H intersection I. Okay. Minus H intersection I. Wherever the H contains no, that the number of terms only we have to contain. Next, minus N of H intersection T. Next, T intersection I, no, ಅಲ್ಲಿ H ಇಲ್ಲ. Next, N of H intersection, that is plus N of H intersection T intersection. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here we have to take only N of H. Okay? ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ N of H plus N of T. ಯಾವುದು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ ಆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay. N of H is how much? 25 minus N of H intersection I. H intersection I is 9. H intersection T is minus 11 plus how much you get here? N of X is, this is 25 plus 3, 28. 28 minus 20, that is 8. We get it as the number of people who read exactly the newspaper H is, that is 8. The number of people who read exactly newspaper H ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಓದ್ತಾರೆ? 8 ಜನ ಓದ್ತಾರೆ. Next, N of Y. N of Y ಅಂದ್ರೆ the number of people who read the exactly newspaper T. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ T ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. N of T minus N of T ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ತಗೊಂಡೇವೆ ಇದನ್ನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. H intersection T minus H intersection T minus N of T intersection I H plus N of H intersection T intersection of. This is N of T is how much? 26 minus H intersection T, that is 11 minus T intersection I, that is 8 plus 3, that is how much? 26 plus 3, 29 minus 19. 29 minus 19 is 9. So this is what N of Y is nothing but what? The number of people who read the exactly newspaper T. the number of T is exactly like ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂತು. The number of people who read the exactly ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ T paper ಅನ್ನು ಓದ್ತಾರೆ, that is 9. The next one. Then likewise we have to find out for the n of z. Okay, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. n of x ಬರ್ತದೆ. n of x ಎಷ್ಟು? that is 8. n of y is 9. ಈ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ n of z. n of z, that is n of z ಅಂದ್ರೆ the number of people who read exactly the newspaper, that is I. I contains ಏನೇನು ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ n of I minus I ಎಲ್ಲೈತಿ n of h intersection I. next h intersection t ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. next minus n of t intersection I. next minus plus n of h intersection t intersection I. okay, n of I is, that is 26, minus n of h intersection I is 9, minus t intersection I is 8, plus 3. okay, that is how much? 26 plus 3, 29 minus 17, that is 2, that is 12 we get. okay, that is the number of people who read exactly the newspaper. ನೀವು ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. therefore ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. one newspaper ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? n of x 8, n of y is 9, n of z is, that is 12. therefore the number of people who read exactly one newspaper is therefore 3 to add. that is n of x plus n of y plus n of z, that is 8 plus 9 plus 12, that is 29 people who read exactly 29 people who read the 10 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ n of y. I think n of y you will get it as the 10 here. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. so this is what the pattern. so this is correct ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ, that is 30. okay, that I will check it. okay, so the number of people who read exactly one newspaper is how much? that is 30. okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ n of y ದ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಯಾವುದು? n of h union t union I ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. n of h ಬರೆದ್ರೆ plus n of t plus n of I minus h intersection I minus n of h intersection t minus n of I intersection h. I intersection next I intersection t, next plus n of h intersection t intersection. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? here what they are going to say us to find out exactly one newspaper. ಈಗ ನಾವು exactly one newspaper h ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ h ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ h contains ಅಷ್ಟ ನಾವು ಇದು ಇನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ h ಇದೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ h ಇದೆ, yes ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ h ಇದೆ, yes ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು? n of h ಇವೆರಡು ಹೋದ ಮುಗಿತು minus n of h intersection I minus n of h intersection t plus n of h intersection t intersection I. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು? the people who read exactly newspaper h ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಆನ್ಸರ್. the number of people who read the newspaper t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ? t ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. then what you get? the number of people who read the exactly newspaper t, that you get. okay, so this is what that how we are going to be solve the example. okay, okay, so the next one example that you should have to be solved, that in the miscellaneous example you should have to solve the example number 16 ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, once you read the example then you come to know Got it? So that we should have to, in the miscellaneous example, we should have to solve the example number 16. Okay? We should have to solve the example number 16 and we should have to be sure. Okay? So this is what about the, how we are going to be solve the practical problems. Okay? In the miscellaneous example number 16 that I have told you to solve, but I will solve this one. But in this example, I will give two more examples as a homework. Okay? So let I will tell you. Here, in a survey, it was found that 21 people like product A. In a survey, 21 people like product A. 26 like product B. 26 like product B. And 29 people like product C. 29 people like product C. If 41 people like product A and B, A and B, and stands for intersection. That is how many? 14 people like A and B. 12 people like product C and A. That is N of A intersection C. That is how much? C and A is how much? 12 they are liking. 14 people like product B and C. That is N of B intersection C is how many? 14 people like. And 8 like all 3 products. So here how many products? Product A, B and C. 3 products. 8 like all 3 products. So all like means that is including A intersection B intersection C. That is how many? 8 like. So here what we have to find out, how many people like product C only. Again I am going to draw the Venn diagram of this one. Here all 3 circles are going to be intersect in this portion. So this is product A, this is product B, this is product C. How many people like product A? So drawing the Venn diagram, then only you come to this one. This one is union. Universal set, sorry. This is N of A is 21, N of B is 26, N of C is 29. Okay? Okay. Next. N of A and B. A and B here we have. A and B is how much? 14, the common of this one. A and C. This is the common of this one is 12. And B and C. B and C. This is 14. And A intersection B intersection C, that is how much? All the 3, that is 8. So already we know that the formula N of A union B union C, that is N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B, A intersection C minus N of B, N of A intersection B intersection C. Getting? Okay. So this is nothing but the people who like one of the product A or B or C. Now what we are going to be find out? Find how many people like the product C only. I want the people who like only the product C. So product C is like that is I will take the Y is nothing but N of N of M is I will consider it as number of people who like product C only. C only. So that is nothing but N of M is nothing but okay. So the people who like product C only, particularly C only means in this contain wherever the term you get the C, those C entry only we have to write over here. Whether we have to C here? No. Whether we have to C here? No. That's what we have N of C minus. Whether we have to C here? No. Whether we have to C here? Yes. Then this is minus N of A intersection C. Whether we have to C here? Yes. That is minus N of B intersection C. Whether we have to C here? Yes. That is plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Then write out the contents. N of C is 29. A intersection C, that is 12 minus B intersection C, that is 14 plus 8. Okay. 29 plus 8, that is 37 minus 26. How many people like the product C only is. That is like. The people who like the product C only is. That is done. So like that, you should have to be find out for this here. How many people like the product A only? As like you should have the product B only. That is your homework from this one example. Okay. So there you should have to be solved. There you should have to be solved from the miscellaneous example. The examples they have given in the page number 26 and 27. The remaining which one I have not yet been told that you have to be solved. And the 8th example from the 1.6. The miscellaneous example as well as from the exercise 1.6. The 8th one example that you should have to solve. Okay. So here it is one. The completion of this chapter, and after this chapter I am going to be start for the one. The next one new one, that is probably the relation and the function. Okay. So whatever the concept that you have not been yet got it properly, that you can be asked me by calling me personally. Okay. So this is what the completion of the set here. The next one I will start in the next class. The new one chapter I will going to be start in the next class. Okay. So give the attendance by your name. So thank you.